Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. It is a rebuilt title. It did have some front end damage. You can see we've gotten everything taken care of. There was no airbag deployment. There was no structural damage. This is a 4-door wagon, sports utility, 2-liter. Gasoline, rear-wheel drive with 4x4. I love what Jeep's doing with their batteries. Very, very cool. Okay, let's go ahead and close that up and we'll walk around the vehicle. The rod actually stows up on the hood. So I did that. I'll go ahead and close it. And it would latch back with these latches, which is easier to do with 2 hands. So at any rate, I'll walk you around the vehicle. It does have the LED halos around the headlights. They look like they're flickering in the camera. That's because the camera is faster than the human eye. They don't visibly flicker. If you tread on the tires, there are the rims. There's the Jeep branding. They have the tow hook on the back. They also have 2 on the front. Here's the interior. A lot of space. You can see they have an Alpine speaker system. Here's your other power supply back here. Close the window. And you the tailgate shut. Okay. I'll show you in the back seat. See, it's all wrapped in leather. These are the floor mats. It's a topographical style floor mat done by Jeep. Once again, very cool. And here you have your other power supply, your USB as well, and you can also have your window up and down here. Okay, you got your back pockets. And that back seat does fold down for additional cargo space. And your seat adjustments on the driver's side. There's also your door locks, left and right mirror adjustment, door handle, and your door lock itself. Okay, you come over here, you got your headlights. Right now we have them on so that you can see them. And here are your vents. So they actually pivot and open completely up. Here's your defroster vent. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay. Right now I have the hood up, which you just saw. I'm going to go ahead and shut the vehicle off so you can see its startup sequences. Okay, so you see that it has 11,851 miles on it. Over here we have the stereo with the GPS activated right now. You can go to USB, auxiliary, or Bluetooth, which I don't have it paired to my phone right now. You'll pair it to your phone. It has AM, FM, and Sirius XM, all in HD. You can also, your climate controls up here, as well as down here. Your climate controls in here. You can have it. Here's your heated seats, your heated steering wheel, your heated over there. It's for dimming your mirror. You don't actually have a switch on the back of it. You do it here for your backup camera. Jump to your apps. Everything from TravelLink to your projection manager, your Wi-Fi hotspot, your emergency distress, your assistance, your user guide, your off-road pages. There's a lot of information in here. There we go. Here's our user guide. You jump over to our nav. You can view your map. You can program it in where your home is, where your work is. If you want to go simply to an intersection or a point of interest. Once again, we're not going to connect to my phone, we're going to connect it to yours. Okay, a lot of those same climate controls are down here. You also have your traction controls, your mute, if you want to just mute it quickly to take a call or something. Here's your parking sensors and your other traction controls for your various terrain controls. Then if you just want your screen off, then you can turn that off. Okay, come down here. Here's where you control the windows. There's another power supply, and here's where you'd plug in your USB, your other auxiliary cable, and such. So you come down here, you have your shift lever, and then you also have your four-wheel drive shift lever between 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. Here you have your key fob, and you have your cup holders, and you have your handbrake, and here's your center console. It's multi-deck, and that also has a USB connection down in there. Once again, this is the Sahara. The seats are all wrapped in leather. The dash is all wrapped in leather. Over here on the steering wheel controls are fairly simple. Here's your cruise control. Here's your push to talk, or connecting via Bluetooth through your cell phone. And then you can also scroll through your trip computer and such with this. We haven't set it up, and so you're not going to have a whole lot to scroll through, but you can control your stereo and such with that. My seatbelt is currently unbuckled. It's warning me about that. It'll tell you how many miles per gallon you're getting, how many miles you have overall, your range. You have about 152 miles left before empty. Your off-road drivetrain, because it is a Jeep, you're most likely going to go off-road. Your oil life and your speedometer. You have your passenger airbag disabling button right there. You have your other presets, and you do have your hardtop removal right here. Those are the buckles that you use for hardtop removal. And this is your speakers. They're overhead, and this is your other hardtop area. Here's your overhead light, obviously. And there is your roll bar. We're going to go ahead and hop out, and you can hear the engine and do a final walk around. Again, this is your 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.